Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account where funds will apply. This matters because codes attach to a single profile. Once done, find the 16-character code on the physical card or email. Make sure the code is legible. Scratch gently if there's a protective coating. Next, choose the web browser for simpler navigation or the Netflix mobile app when you're on the go. Start the process now by signing in to the exact account you intend to use. You'll navigate to Account, then select Redeem Gift Card or Promo Code. This is where Netflix validates the 16-character string. Type the code exactly. Hyphens sometimes matter, so copy spacing as shown. If you're on mobile, tap More, then Account to reach the same page. It routes you to a web view. Click Redeem and watch for confirmation. If the site asks for billing details, that's normal. The gift balance covers future charges until exhausted, so keep your payment method current. You finish by confirming the balance or expiration date shown in account. This proves the code applied correctly. If you don't see the balance, first recheck the code for transcription errors, then ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes sign out and sign back in to refresh the account state. If problems persist, take a clear photo of the card or screenshot of the email and contact Netflix support. They can verify and manually apply the credit when you provide proof.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.